So a lot of people wonder, how do I use these wave file drum samples that you sell? And I'm going to show you in this video. Today I'll be using Ableton Live 12, and what you want to do is come up to drums and just drag a drum rack onto a MIDI track. And now what happens is each of these is aligned to your key. So C1, when I press this, it's going to trigger something. So all I have to do is drag a drum sample onto that note, and now when I press this key, it should trigger it. So let's open up our new pack, which is Disorderly Drums, and we will find a kick. Let's go with kick B, kick B1. Now when I press this C, it plays a B on Ableton. And so usually I like to put a kick on C and a snare on E because I like the way it feels between my fingers. So yeah, that's nice. And then come in and find a hi-hat. And I like putting it here so I can go. And then you can adjust the volumes, or you can add, different plugins on each individual drum. So I think it's pretty sweet. Now, if you want to get more advanced, I have this that I've created called Tuesday's Randomizer. So what it is it randomly cycles through 8 different notes so that it sounds more organic. So if we come back here and we drag in one hi-hat for each of these, it will randomly cycle through the different hi-hat hits I've recorded. And now it sounds a little more organic. Let's take this effect off. You can hear everyone's a little different. And it's a little loud. So yeah, that's kind of how you use the drum rack in Ableton, and I'm sure there's something like that in every DAW. So hope that helps.